Winter and the holiday season are quickly approaching, and we have been busy working on creative ideas and projects so that way you have time to sew. We have several new releases to share with you, but before I begin, remember that you can find all of the links to the items that I mentioned in the description below this video. At the beginning of the month, we launched a brand new pattern named the Cloud Bag. This pattern was inspired by our Time Warp series, where we started in the Renaissance age and worked up to futuristic fashion. The Cloud Bag has a dream-like appearance and was inspired by atmospheric clouds to have a puffy appearance with mixed materials such as our light faux leather and wooden handles, or you could pair traditional cotton and canvas with the wooden handles for an upscale look. The gathering on this pattern creates fullness, which is supported by the interior structure. Inside, you'll find a practical slip pocket and zipper pocket. I encourage you to not be intimidated by this pattern because we have a full tutorial for you where you can watch the video, pause as you sew, and create this project with Kate, who is a designer here on our team. If you like the look of the bags that we created, I encourage you to check out our kits where we have put together all of the components to make the project into one convenient package. So all you have to do is cut out your pieces and start sewing. These kits are limited edition, so be sure to shop and use the discount code TIMEWARP through the end of the month for a special 10% off. We also have a brand new cork fabric that released this month, which is an exclusive design to Sallie Tomato. It is called Techno. The geometric shapes of this design mesh together to create an abstract, futuristic pattern. This cork fabric is ideal to pair with any of our beautiful rustic cork colors, so you can customize your project to add a pop of color, or you could show it off on its own. And if you're feeling really creative, you could use fabric markers to fill in the design to create your own custom cork fabric. And thinking about the upcoming holidays, this is such a fun cork fabric to create organizers, laptop carriers, other items for tech accessories. So I hope that you'll be inspired to create something for family and friends this year. And here at Sallie Tomato, our kit team has been working so hard to put together new colorways of our most popular patterns. A few weeks ago in October, we created a special limited edition kit to help raise funds for the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. We created a pink Scarlett Bag, which is a shoulder bag with a decorative tassel closure. Sallie Tomato will donate $5 to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation for each one purchased. We still have a few kits left. If you're interested in helping to support, donate to this great cause. This month, we are also delighted to bring you new kits, including our ever popular Myrna crossbody bag, Galaxy travel wallet, and the Tiffany handbag. Be sure to subscribe to our monthly newsletter so that way you are the first to know about these brand new kits we are putting together for you. And if you already have the pattern, you can always select the option to purchase a kit without the pattern included. It's always so inspiring and encouraging for us and for other Sallie Tomato fans to see the bags that you create with our patterns. Be sure to tag Sallie Tomato in your projects when you share them on social media so we can share them and celebrate with you. Definitely one of my favorite memories growing up was setting up the Christmas tree with my mom and dad and brother Jake. We would put the fireplace on, have Christmas music playing. It was so cozy, and we'd go through the ornaments and laugh and share stories about where each of the ornaments came from. I don't think Elf on the Shelf was around when I was growing up, but I'm certainly excited to share this tradition with my kids. This year we had a really creative idea to create our very own Elf on the Shelf, and her name is Sallie the Elf. We're very excited to introduce this creative holiday pattern, and we hope that it will be a part of your holiday decorating and family memories. Pick your favorite colors of cork fabric, faux leather, micro suede, or any other non-woven fabric. This project is scrap friendly, or you could choose to purchase a pre-cut kit in customizable colors, which are available to make this project quick and fun to put together. Sallie the Elf has been causing mischief in the Sallie Tomato offices, and it's only November. She is anxiously awaiting Santa's visit in December and wants to make sure all of you are too. The video tutorial for this pattern is now available on our YouTube channel, so go and check it out and see how fun and simple this project is to create. Growing up, I always had an interest in fashion, but I never knew how I could turn it into a career someday. When I was in school, I was interested in business, but also in teaching. and I'm fortunate enough to have been able to go to a school that offered entrepreneurship as a degree. I know how much entrepreneurship has changed my life, and I think it is so important to continue to educate and support aspiring entrepreneurs. One way I thought that my business could help support aspiring entrepreneurs was to create a scholarship. For our scholarship fundraiser, we had a sample sale where half of the proceeds went towards a scholarship fund. The application is now available to students who are pursuing a degree in entrepreneurship, and applications are open through April 1st, 2024. If you know a high school senior pursuing a business-related degree in entrepreneurship, or a freshman, sophomore, or junior attending a 2 or 4-year college or technical college, please encourage them to apply. You can learn more and find the application in the link below this video. I would say that I don't eat a lot of candy myself unless it's chocolate. I'm more of a pastry lover, but I certainly have a sweet tooth and a special place in my heart for Willy Wonka. Being a classic movie fan, we definitely grew up with Willy Wonka playing in the house several times throughout the year. With the new Wonka movie coming out in December, Kate has created a Wonka-inspired ornament for you to add to your holiday tree. This fun candy-themed ornament project is a perfect Cork scrap buster and pairs beautifully with the Sallie the Elf and your handmade Cork holiday decorations. I encourage you to check out Kate's blog and share photos if you decide to make this project. Over the years, we have worked closely with Sulky Threads to host an annual New Year's Eve event. Year after year, it is so much fun to plan this event with Ellen March. She's an incredible educator, and we're always so inspired and excited to spend time with you on New Year's Eve. This year's exclusive collaboration with Sulky features a brand new bag called Veronica. The theme of this year's event is totally 80s, so of course we had to include some rad embroidery designs that are unique that you'll be able to attach to your Veronica or other handmade projects. Grow your bag making and embroidery skills during this event. Make sure to order your kit by December 1st so you have time to cut out your pieces and join us on New Year's Eve. Behind the scenes at Sallie Tomato, we had our annual chili cook-off with our team members, which is always fun to be able to socialize and catch up and spend some extra time with our team. Also, we are excitedly planning our Sallie Tomato & Co. box around the 2024 Pantone color of the year, which is Apricot Crush. And lastly, behind the scenes at Sallie Tomato, our team just returned home from Houston International Quilt Market. So be sure to check with your local quilt shop to see if they have any of our newest bag making supplies. Behind the scenes at home, we had the best time taking Jax and Dakota trick-or-treating this year. Jax was a snake, of course, and Dakota was a dinosaur. Since I was so focused on their costumes this year, I didn't dress up myself, but I want to plan better for next year because I have so many family costume ideas that I want to try. My mom did make me a Jessica bag using Halloween fabric, which was adorable, so at least I had a Halloween bag with me. I don't know what it is, but I have been so inspired to branch outside of my comfort zone lately, and usually I tend to design bags that are more simplistic and have classic style. However, in 2024, you can plan to expect some unexpected designs from me. I hope you will be inspired to embrace your true style and create the things that you wish existed in 2024. Thank you so much for hanging out with me to hear all of the new things here at Sallie Tomato and behind the scenes. I hope that you have a creative day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.